In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up SMS in HubSpot. By the end, you'll have the Twilio SMS app installed and connected to your HubSpot account so you can start sending text messages right from your CRM. First, sign into your HubSpot account and land on the home dashboard. From here, look for the Marketplace option in the main navigation. Open the HubSpot App Marketplace, then head to the Apps section to browse and connect integrations to your portal. In the search bar, type Twilio SMS. Twilio is a reliable cloud messaging platform that powers SMS delivery worldwide. We're choosing it because it's well-supported, highly scalable, and integrates smoothly with HubSpot, enabling two-way messaging, strong deliverability, and the ability to trigger texts from workflows and conversations. Select the Twilio SMS listing to open its details page. Take a moment to review the overview, key features, and any pricing or permission notes so you know exactly what the app will access. When you're ready, click Install to begin the connection process. You'll be prompted to sign in to continue. Choose to sign in to your HubSpot account so the integration can be authorized. Enter your HubSpot credentials or use your single sign-on if that's how your organization authenticates, then confirm by clicking Sign In. Next, pick the correct HubSpot account or portal you want to connect. If you manage multiple portals, double-check you're selecting the one where you intend to use SMS. You'll see a permissions screen outlining what the Twilio SMS app needs to read and write inside HubSpot. Review these carefully, check the agreement box to confirm you understand the access being granted, and proceed. Finally, click Connect App to complete the authorization. HubSpot will finalize the handshake with the Twilio SMS provider, and you should see a confirmation that the app is connected. After this, you can usually access the integration from your HubSpot settings or the Connected Apps list to manage configuration, map phone numbers, and set defaults for sending. A few quick tips before you start sending texts. Make sure you have the proper user permissions in HubSpot to install Marketplace apps. If your organization uses strict controls, an admin may need to perform the install. Ensure you have an SMS-capable phone number on your Twilio side and that you follow opt-in, opt-out, and compliance requirements for your region. It's also a good idea to test with an internal contact first, verify message formatting, and confirm replies appear in your HubSpot conversations. That's it. Your Twilio SMS integration is now set up in HubSpot. If this walkthrough helped, subscribe for more.